Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras. For your daily energies, Libras, we are picking few cards. For your relationship, again, I'll be picking few more cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Libras, and few more cards from another deck for your relationship. So these are general readings, guys. It may or may not relate to your situation, to your life. So let's see what these cards are first for your general reading, Libras. General energies. It is Tower, 10 of Cups in reverse, and 6 of Wands. So, with these cards in your situation, guys, Libras, you are celebrating something, maybe in some situation you are really successful. It may be your career situation or your personal life situation. But Libras, this triumph, this success in your career or in your personal life, you may have to remain humble, guys. So this success should not bring that overconfidence and arrogance in your heart. You should give people credit. So whoever worked for you, worked for this success, you should be broad-minded, open-minded, to give them also credit for how you have done it. Maybe whatever you are experiencing right now, guys, Libras. So Libras, that is what I see, guys. So if you want a harmonious situation, you have to give credit to people who have helped you today, guys. It may be some help in your career situation or in your life, in your personal life. And I also see that maybe you had trust and faith on some people, but today they are different. They have broken your trust. So again, you may be stressed because of that. And I see a major change coming in your life, guys. So people whom you trust, they may not be that. They may, it may be what they are hiding from you. So they are not showing their true face to you, guys, Libras. You need to be really careful with them. So it may be someone in your career or it may be this person. So let's see what are these cards for your relationship, Libras. It's 3 of Spheres, the Chariot, and one more card here, 7 of Suns. So these are the cards for your relationship, guys. So in this connection, in this relationship, this may be what you feel towards this connection or what they feel. So there may be some stressful situations in this love, guys. Maybe some misunderstandings, some arguments or fights in this connection. Maybe doubts on this person. You may have certain doubts on them, maybe because of their behavior. So something they are not telling you. They may be immature, guys. You may have that true love on them, faith and trust on them. But this person is quite playful, immature. They are not yet decided on this love. They don't have that feeling of certainty towards this love. So they are here just for fun. So they may be enjoying this love, enjoying what this relationship brings. So they are here just for that instant happiness, that fling, not for that deep, meaningful bond in this connection. So that may be the reason that you have some doubts on them, some kind of confusion because of that. But whatever is your situation, guys, you are uh, overcoming all those troubles, whatever you face. You may know the truth today. So, what is the truth behind their actions or behind their attitude? So, you will get clarity in the situation, Libras. So, that is what I see with these cards, Libras, and that is the reading for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.